In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck device and System Info. When it's ready, launch it. Remember though that it has to be from Flare to developer. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!